How's it going, guys? Kelvin here from Kenwood, and on today's workshop, we're going to be showing you how to set up your new Kenwood dash camera app. Okay, guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is download the application on whatever kind of phone platform you have. It's available for Apple and Android. So from here, one of the most important things that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to allow every single one of the permissions. And on top of that, depending on which dash camera you choose, you're going to want to choose between Mach 1 and Mach 2. So Mach 1's the old dash cams. The new ones are going to be Mach 2. So from there, you're going to want to click the pen button and then add the device. And then it's going to prompt and detect that dash camera for you. So once you have the dash camera chosen, you're going to want to press the complete button, and that will ensure that the dash camera appears on the main screen. So from there, it may ask you for a pin. Now those pins are not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to want to go into the manual, and from there, it's going to give you what you need. So after that, press the join button, and then you should be good to go. So it's a very intuitive and streamlined process. Then once you get to the screen that's shown here, you should be able to view all of your videos. So there you have it, guys. A very simple and streamlined how-to guide on how to pair our new dash cameras to the application. Now, if you want to learn more about the dash cams, head on over to kenwood.com. Thanks for joining us on today's workshop. We'll see you in the next one.